Oh, hey, I'm Sydney from Online Tech Tips, and today we're looking at how you can work from home using online technology. Depending on the sort of job you do, there may be no reason to actually be in your office most or even all of the time. If you choose the right tools, you can easily work with a team of people, collaborate on documents, and basically make you just as effective at a distance as you would be sitting at your work desk. Let's look at some examples of great tools that will let you work from home smoothly. Google Drive and Google Apps, such as Google Docs, are an excellent way to create documents in the cloud. Share them with your colleagues, and you can even collaborate with them in real time. Microsoft Office 365 offers something similar with Office Live and OneDrive, but the Google service is free. Team communication apps are essential if you need to work with other people to do your job. The most popular choice is certainly Slack, which makes it easy to organize communications between teams and within a whole organization. If you're willing to pay, Microsoft Teams is an enterprise alternative that also offers great integration with the rest of the Microsoft productivity suite. So, with a collaborative platform and communication system in place, what else do you need? Creating the right home work environment is pretty important. A comfortable place to sit and work, preferably with good ergonomics, is a pretty obvious requirement. But what about noise and privacy? A good set of over-ear active noise-cancelling headphones can do a lot to boost your productivity. You don't even have to be listening to anything all the time. These headphones help cancel out most noise, providing a distraction-free work environment. Lastly, you need a pretty reliable internet connection and power supply to work from home. It may be a good idea to use two types of internet connection. For example, you could use a fiber connection as your main internet source, but have a mobile internet connection as an occasional backup. Likewise, a good backup power supply for your internet router may be a good investment for the rare occasion when you find yourself in a blackout. If you have these elements in place, you're all set to work from home with even more productivity than you'd have back in the office, with the added advantage that you don't have to wear pants. Am I wearing pants right now? If you like this video, why not hit that subscribe button and ring the bell while you're at it. You'll get immediate notifications of the latest tips and tricks for your favorite tech. Check out our website for in-depth guides and explainers, and head over to our Facebook group if you want to join the online tech tips community. See you next time.